Hello students, how are you? Yesterday we discussed about the absolute error, relative error, mean absolute error, percentage error, fractional error, and so on. Today next topic is very interesting and it is very important also, combination of error. Combination of error. Beta, what do you mean by combination? Combination means suppose there are two physical quantities x and y. Okay, when error measured, mean absolute error, I told you on that day, mean absolute error measured in x is, suppose maximum error in x can be delta x. Suppose maximum error in x can be delta x, and the maximum error in y can be, suppose, delta y. Then maximum error may be in right direction, or it may be in left direction. It may be in positive direction, or it may be in negative direction. Means the error, if positive sign is there, this means the actual value is more than the measured value, and vice versa. And it may be also plus or minus. Okay, suppose in x maximum error occur is, suppose, delta x, plus minus delta x, and in y maximum error occurs is, suppose, plus minus delta y, suppose. And a third physical quantity is z. Okay, listen now, one thing. 1 minute beta, picture is blurred now. Now listen. Beta, suppose in x maximum error is plus minus delta x, and in y suppose maximum error is plus minus delta y, and z is equal to x plus y, or z is equal to x minus y, or z is equal to x into y, or z is equal to x divided by y, or many other functions also. But in this chapter we will study about these. If z is equal to x plus y, and in x maximum error is delta x, and in y maximum error is delta y, then what will be error in z if z is equal to x plus y? In all case we will do it. Okay, now this topic name is combination of error. Combination means if it has some error, it has some error, when they are combined, then what will be the new error? This is the combination of error. Now listen beta. First point is combination of error. I told you one thing. Combination of error, if I define it, then combination of error means if two physical quantities have some error, and when they are joined by some function, then what will be the resulting error of their result, कि उनके जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसमें क्या एरर होगा. जैसे मैं आपको सारी बातें बताता हूँ. सपोज एरर इन एडिशन, इट्स फर्स्ट पार्ट इज एरर इन एडिशन. एरर इन एडिशन. नाउ लिसन बेटा, सपोज z इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई. ओके, एंड मुझे पता है कि इन x मैक्सिमम एरर कैन अकर प्लस माइनस डेल्टा x, एंड इन y मैक्सिमम एरर कैन अकर प्लस माइनस डेल्टा y. Then in z, what will be the maximum error? So I consider in z maximum error is delta z. I assume then it will be in proper form. In proper form, yesterday I told you, in proper form it can be written as z plus minus delta z is equal to x plus minus delta x plus y plus minus delta y. Beta, this is in proper form because I have written error with themselves. Okay, this can be written here. Delta x is the maximum error in x, delta y is the maximum error is in y, and I have to find the maximum error in z. I have to find in the term of delta x and delta y. मुझे दो चीज़ें दी गई थी, डेल्टा एक्स और डेल्टा वाई. मुझे इनकी टर्म में डेल्टा जेड की वैल्यू बतानी है कितनी होगी. ये मैंने एज्यूम कर लिया. आई एज्यूम दैट in x maximum error is delta x, in y maximum error is delta y. I have to find that what will be the maximum error in z, and let it is suppose delta z. Now I have to find the value of delta z. It is very easy. It is very easy. It can be written as z plus minus delta z is equal to, it can be written as x plus y, and here if I write here in this way, I can write it as plus minus delta x plus minus delta y. It can be written as. Now beta, this term will be cancelled by this. because you know z is equal to x plus y. Okay, now you have many terms. Plus minus delta z is equal to plus minus delta x plus minus delta y. Now beta listen, it has 4 combination. Listen how. Suppose take only plus sign here, then plus delta z will be, listen, take here plus one case. Second, take plus here. Now take plus here, minus here. थर्ड केस, अगेन प्लस हेयर. आपने ये तब तक प्लस लेना है जब तक इसके सारे केस नहीं हो जाते. इट विल बी नाउ माइनस डेल्टा एक्स प्लस डेल्टा वाई, एंड फोर्थ केस प्लस डेल्टा जेड, एंड इट विल बी माइनस डेल्टा एक्स माइनस डेल्टा वाई. Similarly, now take minus here. Minus delta z is equal to, again those 4 cases, delta x plus delta y, and minus delta z is equal to delta x minus delta y, minus delta z is equal to minus delta x plus delta y, minus delta z is equal to minus delta x minus delta y. Now listen beta one thing. When minus is common here, अगर इस माइनस को मैं उधर ले जाऊँ तो ये टर्म आ जाएगी ना, सेम टर्म डेल्टा जेड इज इक्वल टू दिस. व्हेन दिस माइनस इज टेकन ऑन दैट साइड, देन यू नो दिस टर्म विल कम. व्हेन दिस माइनस इज टेकन ऑन दैट साइड, then this term will come. When this minus is taken on that side, then this term will come. Means they are both identical. Now tell me, what is the maximum value of z? You know, maximum value of z is here. Maximum value of z is 2, because we have to find the maximum value here. Maximum value of z is either this or this. So this can be written as plus minus delta x plus delta y. It can be both plus or it can be minus. Okay. Now first of all beta, now after it I will do its one numerical. First of all I want to tell you about subtraction. If minus sign should would be here, then what will happen? Listen beta. If minus sign would be here, if this is not plus, if this is minus, then what will be the change? Here it will be minus. Okay, here it will be minus. Now here it will be minus. Okay, now दिस इज माइनस साइन. अगर ये माइनस है तो बेटा, तो ये वाई आपका माइनस हो गया, तो आपका ये जो प्लस माइनस है ना, ये उल्टा होकर माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, ये माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. ये आपका तो आपके पास क्या होगा, एक्स तो सेम रहेगा. ओके, ये जो वाई ये जो आपके पास वाई जो प्लस माइनस वाला था, जो ये आपका वाई प्लस वाला था, ये वाई माइनस वाला हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर ये माइनस आ जाएगा. और ये जो प्लस माइनस एक्स के ऊपर कोई डेल्टा एक्स के ऊपर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. और ये जो प्लस माइनस डेल्टा वाई था, इसके ऊपर फर्क पड़ेगा. माइनस के आने से उल्टा हो जाएगा, ये माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. ओके, ये माइनस प्लस होगा तो ये क्या आ जाएगा, माइनस प्लस. तो बेटा लिसन, होल रिजल्ट विल बी सेम. द सेम रिजल्ट वुड बी देयर. यू हैव टू ट्राई दिस बाय योर ओन. ओके, अगेन आई एम टेलिंग beta, if this were not plus, suppose if it is minus sign, if it is minus sign, suppose, then here it will be minus sign, here it will be minus sign. In next, here it will be minus, and here listen, if minus is multiplied by this, then it will be minus plus, minus plus. Again, now z is equal to x minus y, this is cancelled by this. Plus minus delta z is equal to, it will be plus minus delta x, this will be minus plus delta y. Now beta, it has again 4 cases. Those same 4 cases it will have. See how? Plus delta x minus delta y. Listen, plus delta x plus delta y, minus delta x minus delta y, minus delta x plus delta y. All 4, and the same result will be there. So same result you will have the maximum value of error in z in case of addition or in case of subtraction. Okay, now I ask you a question. Question is there. You have the question, if z is equal to x plus y, okay, and in x is length, y is length, z is also length, and in x the value of x is 5 plus minus 0.1 centimeter. The value of proper value of x is Okay, and proper value of y is suppose 6 plus minus 0.2 centimeter. Okay, this is now what will be the value of z, what will be the proper form of z. Now listen beta, you know the proper value of z. How would you know beta? Proper value of z is equal to, listen, this is z, you know, plus minus error. Now listen, it will be, you know, z is equal to x plus y. When I will write the proper value of x and y, then what will be, it will be z is equal to x plus y, 5 and 6, 5 plus 6. Listen here beta, in case of plus, when it was plus x plus y, और ये जो एरर है ना, इसके 4 केस बने थे और मैंने मैक्सिमम एरर ले लिया था. आपको क्या करना है, ये जो आपके पास रिजल्ट आया था x माइनस, जो आपका पहले केस में x प्लस वाई था जो, तो x प्लस वाई पहला केस और मैक्सिमम एरर, तो आपने इसमें वही करना है. पहले तो आपने x प्लस वाई कर देना है 11, फिर प्लस माइनस मैक्सिमम एरर, और मैक्सिमम एरर आपको पता है कितना आ रहा है. मैक्सिमम एरर इज, दोनों को ऐड कर दीजिए, 0.1 एंड 0.2, इट विल बी 0.3, मीन्स इट विल बी 11 प्लस माइनस 0.3 सेंटीमीटर. Okay, this is the case.